We had a pool shell delivered in the field. I accidentally drilled a hole up through the top of the coping. Made a call to Ed. Ed came out on a Saturday and actually helped me make the repair on the pool shell in the field. And the customer was completely satisfied with that.
2 years ago, there was an incident with a pool becoming damaged that I was helping deliver. The pool was in an accident with the truck, and Thursday Pool stepped up to the plate and got a pool to them the next day, and it was all the way over in Ohio.
Sometimes we'll get a pool from other manufacturers. We used to get pools and they'd be scratched and stuff all the time. Thursday's done a great job at delivering pools to us and having them be basically completely ready to be installed into the ground, something that we have not seen with other companies.
So we had a situation where we had a pool that did show up with an imperfection on it. Ed called, asked me what they could do with the customer. I asked if you could make personal contact with the customer, which he did. That customer is now a glowing fan of our business because of the way Ed handled the situation.
As far as exceeding expectations, I mean, yesterday they had delivered a pool in the rain and in the mud. There is no, we can't do it or we won't, you know, they follow through with what's promised.